In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a partial invoice in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know how to turn on Progress Invoicing and create an invoice that bills only part of a job or estimate, which is perfect for deposits, milestones, or staged project work. First, open QuickBooks and sign into your company. Once you're in, look toward the upper right corner for the settings icon. Click that to open the menu, then choose Account and Settings. This is where we'll adjust the preferences that allow partial or progress billing. Inside Account and Settings, select the Sales tab on the left. This area controls how your sales forms behave. Scroll until you find the option for Progress Invoicing. It may appear as an editable section with a small pencil icon. Click the pencil to edit, then turn Progress Invoicing on. This feature lets you create multiple invoices from a single estimate, so you can bill a percentage, a specific amount, or custom quantities over time. After switching it on, click Save and then Done to apply the change. Now that the feature is enabled, you're ready to create a partial invoice. From the main screen, select the Create or Plus icon and choose Invoice. Start by selecting your customer and confirming the invoice date, terms, and any location or class tracking your business uses. Add the products or services you're billing for. If this invoice is tied to an estimate, QuickBooks will prompt you to choose how much to invoice, by percentage, by a fixed amount, or by entering the exact quantities you want to bill now. Choose the option that matches the portion you're collecting at this stage, such as a 30% deposit or a specific dollar amount for completed work. Take a moment to review sales tax settings, verify the due date, and include a clear message on the invoice that explains what this partial bill covers, like Phase 1 design deposit, or Milestone 2 completion. Clear descriptions help your customer understand what they're paying for and reduce back and forth later. If you use invoice numbers, make sure the sequence looks right. You can preview the form to confirm layout and totals. When everything looks good, click Save. If you plan to send it right away, choose Save and send to email it to your customer. Otherwise, you can save and close to send it later. That's it. You turned on Progress Invoicing, created an invoice, and billed only the portion you need today, keeping your cash flow and project tracking organized.